What's up, y'all? It's Derica and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I care for my daughter's hair who has eczema. So a few things have changed since her last wash day routine. First things first, I still wash her hair and condition her hair with the same products, but the changes that I have made is that I started deep conditioning her hair with the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask, and I've been using it on her hair for 10 days or 5 days? No. And y'all, I forgot how much I love this deep treatment mask. I used to deep condition my hair with this all the time when I was transitioning. So when I decided to start deep conditioning her hair, I wanted to go with something that I know that works and something that I'm familiar with. So with that being said, this is what I use on her hair only when I deep condition, nothing more, nothing less. So, you done? That's enough. So let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, so I'm going in with the restorative deep treatment mask, and I'm just going to work that through sections of her hair, mainly focusing on her ends and the shaft of her hair, not too much of her roots, because I do not want to cause any allergic reaction. Just in case there is one, she has not had one since we started using this, but I just don't want to put anything on her scalp. So yeah, so all I'm going to do is just be detangling her hair with this comb, making sure I'm getting every hair strand with this product on. And yeah, so I really do like this for her hair. It's really good, and it's probably the only deep conditioner that I can trust so far because of the ingredients and being the fact that she already used the restorative conditioner before I deep condition. I feel like this was the perfect match for her hair. And also, if you guys have not checked out her wash day routine, I will link it up at the top, because in that video it would explain what I use and how often I wash her hair. Okay, so after getting the mask all over her hair, I'm just going to cover it for about 15 minutes to let that penetrate her hair strands. And as you guys can see, after rinsing it out after 15 to 20 minutes, her hair feels extremely soft. It is looking very good and moisturized. So from this step on, this is the time where I'm going to start prepping her hair to begin the styling process. Alright, so now that her hair is sectioned off, I'm just going to go in with my DIY Shea Butter and olive oil mix. Now, if you guys have not checked out that video, I highly recommend that you do check it out, because I will show you guys how I make it and what I use. And so it's very simple. But anyway, all I'm doing is going in with this product. There is no leave-in conditioner. I only use this product to style her hair. And I'm just going to take smaller sections to begin two-strand twisting her hair. With using this alone, her hair does feel very moisturized, and I just love how juicy and bouncy her twists are. So that's all I'm going to be doing, is just making sure I'm focusing mainly on her hair shaft. As you guys can see, I do not grease her scalp or put any oils on her scalp. Now keep in mind, with the products that I use, her scalp is pretty moisturized. There, I don't have any flaking. So with that being said, when I'm applying a Shea Butter mix, I'm not deliberately just, I'm just going to neglect her roots. I go onto her roots, but I'm careful to not get any on her scalp. And now if I do, it's not a big deal. I have not seen any eczema flare up by doing this method. Everything has been so good since using this. Now, if you guys do not want to do the whipped Shea Butter, what I used to do for a long time is just apply the Shea Butter first and then go in with the oil. And that's just how I do her hair as well. It works the same as the whipped Shea Butter. So yeah, so all I'm going to be doing is continuing two-strand twisting her hair. The parts don't have to be perfect. The twist does not have to be small. Just enough to keep her hair in this style for about 2 days before I have to re-moisturize. Also, the reason why I do not grease or oil her scalp is because we tried that before years ago, and that just was not good for her eczema. Like, her eczema was not having it. With that, when I greased her scalp or oiled it, it only made the fungus grow more, and there were huge flakes. She would scratch so bad she wouldn't even sleep. So with that being said, by me stop doing those things to her scalp and just letting her scalp breathe and just properly washing and caring for her scalp, it gave it the nourishment for her hair to actually start growing and being healthy, and it helped a whole lot with the itching. Now, since I have been doing this routine with her hair, she has not had any eczema. Like, this really does work for her hair. The eczema is gone. She does not scratch her scalp anymore. She's able to get more styles, and I'm able to kind of be a little more flexible with her hair without worrying if she's going to have an eczema flare up. So anyway, as you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing this process, spritzing her hair with a little water to get it damp. Then I'm going in with the Shea Butter mix, and I'm going to start detangling with this detangling brush, which I happen to love for her hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and two-strand twist her hair. Now with this style, it normally lasts for 2 days. That's if she doesn't come home from school looking a mess. You know how kids are at school. But anyway, this works. This lasts for like 2 days, and after that, that's when I would just go ahead and unravel the twist and let her wear her hair out for a few days. And that's when I would have to go ahead and re-moisturize like her edges to style her hair. And I just apply the Shea Butter mix along with water, a brush, and her edges are laid down. I don't have to add any gels or anything like that. Like I'm telling y'all, that is all that I use is the Shea Butter mix. Nothing more, nothing less. Also, keep in mind, when you guys are looking for products for your daughter's or your son's hair who has eczema, or even for your hair, try to go with the products that does not have scent. Unscented is your friend. When it comes to eczema, whether it's on your skin or your hair, products that does not have a scent works beautiful with your hair and your skin, because those products that have fragrances in it will irritate your skin and make your condition worse. So with that being said, try to stick with something that actually works for your hair, and don't try to switch products too often, because that can definitely create problems and make the eczema worse. Alright, so here is Miss Parker with her twists all done. They look so juicy. They feel good. They are very moisturized and bouncy, and she just loves her twist, y'all. Like, she loves her hair like this, and I love it like that too. So what we're going to do is apply her silk bonnet, which I put on her hair every night. And then I'm just going to come back in the morning and let you guys know what I do to her hair for school. So all I do is just leave a few pieces out, twist out in the front. She loves this style, and put the rest in a ponytail and a bow, and she's good to go. I think this style is super cute and is low maintenance and no like extra manipulation. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye. Bye.